Okay, so the first step we said is to state whether HO, or not whether, state HO and HA. And I said you could do this using words or symbols. So you might, let's say you are looking for a cure for COVID and you've got a placebo and then you've got some other drug. We'll call it COVID cure-all or whatever you want to call it. But you're comparing a drug to a placebo. You've got two means that you're going to compare to see if, the COVID disappeared in the group that got the drug versus the group that had the placebo. So you might say, for example, HO is going to say that mu1 equals mu2. In other words, the mean for the placebo group, so mu placebo equals mu for the drug, the quote-unquote real drug. And HO, remember, is the hypothesis that says null, none, and nothing. Those two population means are going to be identical. Mu1 equals mu2. HA, you would write as mu1 does not equal mu2. The placebo, the mean of the placebo group, but in the population, does not equal the population of the actual treatment drug, okay, the actual drug that we're testing. Those two population means are different. In other words, there's more than sampling error. So we would write these down, and again, you can use symbols or words. And I gotta say that we rarely do this beyond a statistics class. We do it in statistics classes to get you accustomed to the fact that when you use hypothesis testing, you are always testing two hypotheses. One is HO, one is HA, and by writing them down, you get to learn what each one is. All right, but if you pick up a published paper, very seldom are they ever going to spell out what HO and HA are. You'll know based on what it is they're testing, you're going to be able to easily figure out what is HO and HA. For the time being, though, you need to write them down because that's how you're going to learn.